Good morning, my friends. We have today a Brabantia food processor or something on the table. It's another free item that I get from a lady. She already bought a new one, but okay, this part is fine. But what she said is it will not put a switch on. Now, if I press here, there's no feeling that there's any action whatsoever. So let's open it up, and I can't see any screws, so I believe it sits behind this speed control. So let's see if we can lift this off. Okay guys, I have it off, but I had to do it on my own because it was not easy, and there is some screws. I just see it somewhere. Now why come? Well, oh sorry, this is this side. It is this side. Can you see there's the screws? Let me take it out. Okay guys, in some way it must pull now in two pieces. Okay, that part came off. Okay, there is the switches. I just want to see what's going on there, why this will not come off. Is it just sticky, or is there something? But let us feel. Let's see if it will come off. Ah, okay, this is the switches. Okay, let's look how it works. It seems if the switches is kind of, if it needs power to stay down, because both of them doesn't make a click sound or something. So maybe I must plug it in. Okay, let's plug it in first quickly so that we can see. Okay guys, it is plugged in. Let's see if it still is. Oh, there is something. But why does I say it doesn't work? Okay, it's a free one and they say it doesn't work. Now, what is now wrong? Maybe it is something to do with this, with the speed control. That should be, you should be able to turn that. Maybe I must take a small isolated screwdriver and turn it and see if it make any difference. Okay guys, this is the slow one. Let me press the slow one and then we're going to tune. Oh, I think that's a problem. There's a dead spot somewhere. Okay, let's try that one. Oh no, now it creates a problem. Let's move it. Yeah, the problem is here. That's where the problem is. Maybe it's just dirt. Okay guys, that is the problem. It's that speed control. Maybe, let me just plug it out. Okay, it's plugged out. So maybe it is just dirt. Maybe I must clean that switch and see again. Okay, I'll bring it back. Okay guys, it's plugged in again, and let's see. I've cleaned it only with WD-40. It's all that I have now. Okay, can be the switches as well. Maybe I must just give them some lube. Okay guys, I lubed or cleaned the switches as well. Let's see, it seems if it's better. I tested a little bit off camera. So let's put it on high. Okay, there's no effect. It run. I think it is fine now. I think what happened is, I think the speed one is only one speed. It's fast. No difference. And this one. I think there is. Oh, my finger doesn't press hard now. There's a little spot there. For the most part, it is better. I think it's for house, for myself, it is good. Because this is a free one. And I have one, but it's not this mic. Okay guys, maybe it's a win. I will not put something else more on it. At least I know then it is maybe just dirt. And I can live with it. Another one saved, more or less. Otherwise I throw it away. But because we have one and it was a free one. So, and I will come back to the lawnmower. For the guys that follow, I'm trying, or not trying, I'm planning to remove the engine and open it up for interesting sake to see what is going on inside and put the other Briggs & Stratton on that machine or body. That's the plan, and then we can work on the Ryobi engine. Right, my friends, see you on the next one. This was just a quick one. Bye bye.